Oasis technology from last 5 to 6 years. And as far as this workshop is concerned, this is a good starting point for us who are the novice to the embedded Linux basically. Mr. Rahul Khalatkar has given us a very good guideline for this embedded Linux, and this will help us in bridging the gap between hopefully the academia and the industry, which is embedded Linux is primarily basically introduced newly in the syllabus.
It has been really a very nice experience to attend this particular workshop. It was really very fantastic one, and to be very frank, the ARM first time I have learned from Oasis technology itself. 5 years back I have attended one workshop at I think at MIT Kothur that was also conducted by Oasis Technologies, and from that point onwards today Oasis Technologies, of course that was at that time they are in the developing phase. Now I can say that yeah, definitely they have matured enough to fulfill the needs of industries and of course including the education industry also. So of course this workshop has gained so many things. They have and one more point what I would like to say that before coming to this workshop I was thinking that Linux, that is specially made only for software engineers and why electronics engineers should turn towards this. But at the end of this, Rahul made it so easy for us that yeah, definitely an embedded engineer must have the knowledge of embedded Linux also. Very nicely he has delivered all his contents, all PPTs were very fantastic, and of course Oasis is always giving us the support, and in future also we are extending the similar type of support from Oasis so that we can develop our students so that finally at the end of their graduation they will be actually employed.
As per my knowledge, it is really very excellent for those are beginners in the embedded system, or you can say that those are in the first time they enters in the real-time operating system. And overall session about the practical as well as theory is really very good, and the resource person by the Oasis technologies also have given the very good knowledge about the any real-time operating system, and that is especially a Linux. So I am very thankful to those Oasis resource person as well as the Oasis supports person. Those have given such excellent technical knowledge to us, and such a type of new introduced operating system which is really helpful to us whenever we will go in front of the students to teach them like Linux and any of the real-time operating system like MuCOS2 and VxWorks likewise. But by this workshop only we will get all the basic knowledge related with any of the OS operating system which is under the real-time support.
This is a very well organized workshop. Initially we had lot of doubts about Linux being introduced. It is introduced for the first time, so the students as well as faculty members had lot of apprehensions about taking this for the first time. But the Oasis has taken a lot of efforts to conduct this workshop very well. We could really understand the concept from syllabus point of view, and we have lot of scope to study further. So the Oasis has given us lot of inputs about the workshop. They have taken efforts to conduct this for 2 days, and it is a very well organized workshop. We are thankful to Oasis for organizing such workshop, and we expect that such workshops will be conducted by Oasis in future also.